pay to be someone's best friend, say that you price them for like $200 and someone says, I'll buy them for $50.
Say no.
What is up, guys? It is me, Kayla, back here on a brand new YouTube video, and today I am going to be telling you 8 ways to make money during this pandemic, during quarantine, during all of that. I know since quarantine has happened, people have been laid off from their jobs and not making a lot of money, so I'm here to help. If you're below 18, you can do this as well, so don't feel left out. Okay, you can be in here too. Also, you see my braces? I got braces 3 days ago. Yeah, so sorry if I look a little busted up. My scarf isn't looking cute, you know, braces and everything. So you're not used to it, but it's okay. Also, I'm doing a braces journey video, so stay tuned and subscribe for that because it'll be coming in a month because I gotta get everything done. I gotta keep vlogging and stuff. So yeah, honestly, I like them, but yeah, this isn't about me. You came here for the money tips. So let me tell you guys about these ideas. I have them on my computer. Let me stop rambling and let's just get on with the YouTube video. So the first idea is become a social media influencer. Now, I know a lot of people make it seem hard to become a social media influencer, but it's really easy. All you need is a following. It doesn't even have to be a big following, maybe 100 followers, and that's all you really need, and a personality. Since people are being laid off from their jobs, people are starting to go more to social media to get money and earnings and stuff, and businesses are struggling to keep customers coming in because people are running out of money, and the last thing they want to do is buy some new sneakers, you know. So really what you could do is you could email or hit up some brands, maybe smaller brands, not like Sephora and Ulta and stuff like that. No, like smaller brands, maybe they're trying to grow their business. Email them and be like, hey, I have so and so amount of followers. This is why I love your company. Hopefully you will work with me. Yeah, things like that. I'm sorry. Email them, do stuff like that, and be like, hey, I have this many followers. I love your brand. This is why I love your brand. And you could also talk about what you could do to help them during these times. Be like, you know, my followers will want to go buy your things, yada yada yada. You may hear some no's, but you know, if you keep hustling and keep pushing through and keep being devoted and determined to get a brand deal, some brand will say yes, and you know, you'll be making a little bit of coin. Also, you want the brand you're talking to match what you do. Like, say you do YouTube videos about fashion and stuff, you're gonna want to hit up makeup brands, or if you do gaming videos or you do Instagram pictures of gaming and stuff, you're gonna want to go to gaming companies and brands. Or if you do clothing, like if you do clothing hauls, try on hauls, stuff like that, you're gonna want to go to clothing brands. You don't want to go to like a makeup brand and you talk about turtles. You don't want to do that because then it's not gonna make sense and people aren't gonna want to go click on your affiliate link. They're not gonna want to go to that. They're not gonna want to look at the items and stuff because you want the brand that you're talking to match the type of content you put out to your followers, you know. And again, you don't need a big following to do this. Honestly, I think I should start doing this too. Maybe some of you guys will go click the affiliate link if I did something like that. But yeah, that is one way how to make some money. The second one is Etsy. If you don't know what Etsy is an app that lets you be creative with the things you do. So like if you like to paint, you can sell your paintings on there, handmade crafts, and you can also sell vintage items on there. It's a really good way to kind of see what you're into, and you can price them for a lot of money. You can do something like that. Like say you're really good at painting, you're really good at drawing, sell those drawings for
$100 each.
Don't settle for less. Don't settle for less. You want to get those big bucks because people like buying art and buying crafty things that look cool and stuff. So yeah, that's another way. Those are for my creative people who like to paint and draw and craft stuff, make clay pots or whatever, you know, and make sure to price it right. Okay, we don't settle for less around here. The third thing is inbox dollars. I've personally used inbox dollars and I think it's really good. My family has also used inbox dollars as well, so I have a good experience with inbox dollars. Inbox dollars is an app that gives you surveys and lets you talk about your opinions and things like that. They ask you questions about what do you do for a job, blah 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 blah. These are really for adults, but I just use my mom's accounts to make money that way. You have to get to at least $30 before you can cash out, but if you do it a lot, you're doing surveys on your toilet, you're doing surveys in your shower, you're doing surveys literally in your sleep, you'll be able to get to those $30 in no time. Wait, if you like doing surveys and like voicing your opinions and things like that about like things that are going on in the world, that's a thing for you. I'll have it in the description box down below. I actually have everything in the description box down below, so you can just go click on it. The next one is Fiverr, Fiverr. Fiverr is an app that lets you sell freelance services or provide any type of service that you offer. Again, this is an app for creative people, things like that, but anyone can be on there. I actually took a look on the app and see like if it was worth it or not. There's so many things that people are giving their services about. Like, you could be someone's best friend. You could be paid to be someone's best friend. You could be paid to make thumbnails. You could be paid to draw weird looking pictures. You can be paid to like cosplay and stuff like that. It's really weird. But if you want to be paid to be someone's best friend, I suggest you go click in the description box down below. Fiverr is basically like a freelance service type of thing where you literally can give out any service that you want. Like, go take a look, go look at the website. Literally get paid for anything. Even if you don't have a talent, like, you can still get paid to do some stupid stuff. And it's crazy because people will actually buy it. It's crazy. So that's really how you make your big bucks. Even if you don't have a talent, if you don't sing, if you don't dance, if you don't do anything, you can still make money by just doing random, like talking to people. You can get paid for talking to people. It doesn't even make sense, but you can. Comfort someone, you know, give people advice. If you're good at giving advice, you can get paid like $100 to do that. That's such a good app. Honestly, it's such a good idea. The next one is tutoring. There's a lot of websites you can go to where you can teach people your language. So if you speak like fluent English, you can teach someone who doesn't speak that much English. Like, say they speak Spanish, fluent Spanish, you can teach them to speak English and you get paid for it. Or vice versa. Like, if you speak a fluent language and someone who doesn't know that language wants to learn it, that you can get paid for teaching someone your language. You're being educational and you're also making big bucks. Honestly, it's like, there's no lose-lose. There's no lose-lose. The next one is to sell your old clothes. No, I am not going to be telling you to download Poshmark. I'm not telling you to do that. Honestly, I think that Depop is the best place to sell your old clothes because Poshmark's tax is so high, you're barely making any money. So it's like, yeah, I think Depop's fee is much lower than Poshmark, and Poshmark is just basically scamming everyone. Like, there's no point of even having the app. Depop is way better. I have gone on there and looked at the clothes, and it's really cute and they're really cheap. You know, you can sell your old clothes. Like, say some clothes don't fit or you just don't want them, you can go sell them on Depop. Again, I'll have everything in the description box down below so you can go click on it. But yeah, Depop is personally the best place to go to sell your old clothes. The next one is ask your parents for money. Now, these are really for people who live with their parents or a guardian or their grandma or whatever. So here's how you do it, okay? I'm gonna teach you a little secret on how you can get some money from your parents. Do extra chores. Be nice to them. You should be nice to them anyways. You should be respecting them. You should be doing all that. But be extra nice to butter them up. Do extra chores. Clean around the house. Make the house look pretty, you know? And they might just get buttered up. You feel me? So yeah, that's an easy way to make some money. But you can't seem suspicious, okay? You just gotta be like, oh, I'm just cleaning the dishes for you because I love you so much. And then like a day later be like,
hey mom, can I have $20 to buy clothes?
Personally, don't do it in the same day. You don't want to ask for money in the same day when you're like doing whatever you're doing to try and get that chore money or whatever, because then they're gonna be like, oh, so that's why you were doing it. But no, if you be like, you're washing the dishes one day and then ask them for money the next day, it'll be like, oh, okay, since you did the dishes, that's fine. So yeah. And the last one that I have is sell your old sneakers. There be them sneakerheads who buy sneakers for like $2,000 and then sell them for $3,000. That's what you need to be doing. Say you got some Jordan Retro 13s and you can't fit them anymore. This is an example. If you don't have Jordan Retro 13s, that's fine. But I'm just saying, say you got some Jordan Retro 13s that don't fit you anymore, you just don't want. Clean them up, make them look nice and beautiful, and then go sell them. Personally, I use the app Goat to look at shoes that I want to buy. I'm terrible at saving money or whatever, but Goat is a great place to buy shoes and sell shoes as well. You can buy them used, new, all that, but you know, you gotta clean up them shoes, make them look nice and pretty so that people will want to buy them. Also, if you're selling sneakers and say that you price it for like $200 and someone says, I'll buy them for $50.
Say no. Say no.
We don't settle for less around here, you know? I think we've already established that. We don't settle for less around here. So, you know, because there will always be someone else who actually want to pay full price for them. So never settle for less in life, anywhere. Never settle for less because you are worth more than that. And that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a pretty quick one. Comment down below if you want some more how-to videos just like this. Also subscribe, like this video, and let me know if these tips were helpful. Make sure to stay tuned for the braces journey video that I will be posting soon. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.